$10,000 in just 1 month delivering medical supplies.
Hello, honey bun.
Hello my honey buns, it's your gal Lou, and in today's video I am giving you another way to make money, and not just a little bit of money, not just some chump change, but you can really run it up with this method and make upwards of 10 bands per month using your vehicle or a rented vehicle. All right, and I'm sure some of you are familiar with the term medical courier, but if you're not, I'm getting you up to speed so that you can understand and hop on this hustle. So medical supply delivery is exactly what it sounds like. You're literally delivering medical supplies. You're transporting essential items such as medications, lab specimens, tools to hospitals, pharmacies, and clinics, and even directly to patients. And unlike delivering, say for instance, Uber Eats or DoorDash, medical delivery typically pays more. So if you're someone that has experience like I do with delivering for maybe Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, things of that sort, and you feel like that's something that you did well with, you would really thrive being a medical courier, okay? Because you take that same work ethic and you're going to not only double but triple your earnings, okay? So you're able to really earn more and maximize. And typically with medical courier jobs, they pay more because of the urgency of these items. So it's not just like you're delivering a burger or something. You are delivering very, very sensitive items like the, lab tests, medications, important supplies for surgery, and things of that sort. All right, so now I want to break down how exactly you would be running upwards of 10 bands, because it's easy to tell you that you're going to be able to make that amount of money, but I want to give you the numbers so that you really have a general idea and broader scope of how it's possible for you to do this. For one, the high-paying deliveries. Depending on the company and the route, some companies pay anywhere from $150 to $400 each. So just imagine how fast that $150 to $400 will add up for those trips. Number two, being consistent. If you're willing to work even just 6 days a week, you can really run it up and stack it up more. And I know people that do less than that. They do just a few days per week, or they do the standard 5, but you really have the ability to do more than 5 and to really stretch those hours out as well to run it up. Also, you can make more money in a shorter period of time than you would with other delivery gig apps. Number 3, bonuses. So many companies will pay you extra for the medical deliveries if you're willing to work longer hours or do weekends, or if it's like a last minute. Now, for example, if you do 3 to 4 deliveries on average per day at about $200 each, that's $600 to $800 daily. Multiply that by 20 to 25 working days. Boom, 10 bands, $10,000. Simple as that. So first, what you're going to want to do is find a company. You can research your local medical courier companies on platforms like cbdriver.com or Medical Courier Inc. Next, you want to ensure that you do meet the requirements. Most of the companies have really simple requirements, like you must have a reliable vehicle. I know sometimes it has to be a certain year and up. Nothing too new, but they also don't want anything too old for your vehicle, because of course the older the vehicle, the more chances of it constantly breaking down and having issues, and that's going to be a problem when you're delivering really sensitive medical items. You're also of course going to need a valid driver's license, and they may do a background check and want to see proof of insurance as well. The applications for these positions are typically straightforward and can be done online, and some of the companies may even provide very brief training. I also do want to shout out the people that get on YouTube and really break down all of their tips for how they make their money doing this position on a daily basis. There are some dedicated channels that specifically focus on medical courier jobs. That would be a great thing to look at, because you get to see what a day in the life looks like doing that, and it kind of they give you, you know, certain tips and things of that sort that would maybe go a little bit broader. Right now, going back to maximizing your earnings, once you find that medical courier company that you want to work with, and also keep in mind that a lot of the times these are contract positions, so you do have freedom to create your schedule and tailor it around your own life. You're not really, you know, forced to work really strict hours or anything of that sort. You can really, say for instance, if you have another means of income or a business on the side or whatever you do, you can tailor it around that. So that's another pro that I want to throw in there. All right, now to maximize your earnings, you want to ensure that you're optimizing your routes. You can use route planning apps to combine nearby trips, and this is really going to help you to save time on your deliveries and really run it up as well. Ensure that you're taking high-paying jobs. So there are some deliveries that are going to be higher paying than others. You want to ensure that you put more time into those higher paying deliveries versus accepting every low paying delivery. You can definitely prioritize rush or long distance deliveries, as of course they're going to be higher paid. Also, working peak times would really help you to run it up to those 10 bands. So like weekends, holidays, and evenings often come with bonuses and higher paying trips, because of course those are the times when a lot of people aren't available to work. Of course, you want to ensure that you are being reliable, just basically by showing up, being consistent, doing your deliveries on time, building trust, and you're going to see that you're getting more lucrative routes and more opportunity. Of course, like with any other hustle, there's going to be challenges. It's not always easy. Driving for long periods of time can definitely take a toll on you. I know this from personal experience, so keep that in mind. If you're somebody that already doesn't like to drive, I probably wouldn't recommend this for you. Or I would say if you just really need the money, you can do it for a short period of time, but not for a long-term hustle, because you're going to have to be someone that's fairly decent at driving and comfortable with doing it for long periods of time, so you don't mind driving for hours. Also, you will be handling very critical items, so you don't have any room for error. Also, you want to be careful because you are dealing with some of these deliveries are hazardous. You are dealing with bodily fluids, lab specimens, and things of that sort, so it's going to be very important to handle these packages with care. You don't want this spilling in your vehicle, spilling even in your trunk. You don't want to spill toxic waste or whatever is in those supplies. You don't want that. Even just the supplies alone, the tools, you don't want to contaminate those. Like, you want everything to be on point, because this is, anything dealing with medical is extremely important and it's extremely sensitive. So I would just say that this is going to be a good hustle for someone that is cool with driving pretty much all day long, or also someone that you're gonna need a little space. Okay, so let me also tell you, if you have an extremely small car, like you have a coupe or something, this won't be for you. This is gonna be, you can do a sedan, vans, SUVs, trucks, all of that, but you're gonna need some space, because if you don't have space, it's going to be a problem, and you may not be able to secure the gigs like you want to. And also someone that's disciplined, someone that knows how to create their, look, I forgot I'm on camera. Someone that knows how to create their own schedule and really hone in on the opportunities that are popping up on these apps. So my people that have already done delivery, like in the past, whether it's Uber Eats, DoorDash, all those things, you kind of already have a feel for this. Or if you even done like Amazon Flex, all those type of things, then you kind of know how it goes. It's just more money. As always, subscribe to the channel. There will be more videos dropping soon. I post videos weekly with different tips as well as resources and ways to get to the money. Okay, get to the money. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.